Hey friends, welcome back one more time. Okay, so there's the bottom of the dehydrator with some dill, and I'm putting my second tray on there. It's got parsley, and the third tray, which also has parsley and one sprig of rosemary. And now I'm putting the cover on, and on here it says for herbs and spices to set it at the lowest setting, which is 95, and that's where I have it. Just gonna turn that back around, and I shall plug it in, and success! All right, so if your Nesco food dehydrator goes out and you've checked all the logical things like your outlet is working, it's very possible that your fuse has gone out, and it is possible to replace the fuse. Just be very careful, because I stabbed my finger with an awl doing this. So anyway, other than that, I think I'm in business again for dehydrating my herbs and dried fruits and other stuff that I made. So thanks for watching. Once again, Happy New Year. See you in the next one.